Hey guys, so we have all of these poppets and we're going to be popping every single one of them, starting out with the heart one. And they're all on the good side.
Rainbow heart.
Ooh, nice. My turn. Nice crunch noise. Didn't kill the ant. Alright. Stop acting like it. Ooh. Crunchy.
Hashtag my poppet. Reagan, stop.
Alright. Your turn.
Probably barely gonna get a pop any. Even though they're mainly mine, but whatever.
Oh wow. Alright, I'm gonna do one finger. Randomly just pop it, you know. If this triggers you, I'm sorry. We're all gonna pop an even amount. So it's perfect without even knowing. My turn. This one is on its good side, but it's really quiet. Alright.
Okay, so the cool thing about the wacky tracks is that you can make them into a snapper, into another fidget, and they're just like a snapper. And the size of the snapper is like the mini poppet, and yeah, they're really fun to play with because snappers are fun to play with, and you can change wacky tracks and to snappers, and then they're fun to play with. Next we have a mini broken yellow pop tube that I put because my little brother broke it, and I tried to refix it, and this is what it looks like, but I had to cut it because it wouldn't work. And here's my bigger one.
What are these called now?
Cotton candy.
Marble and mesh. So we got these, and basically you just push the marbles.
The cotton candy.
No, Reagan likes to call them cotton candy. So yeah.
First, we have this mini Rubik's Cube. It's kind of cute, and it's harder. It's kind of hard to spin it sometimes, but I still like it. Next, we have this one. It's fun, and I like the colors on it, and yeah, and part of it's broken. So here we have 3 bike chains. Sorry about that. Here we have 3 bike chains, and they're really fun to play with. Like, it's cool because they go in the circles, and I've never seen chains that do that. And it's really cool.